So this video is a special request from one of my cabin crew friends, Jessica. So she told me she wants to see a cooking vlog. So I'll make one of my favorite dishes, which is Ginataang Hipon or shrimp in coconut milk. Cook the ginger, it won't shrink as well. And even if it shrinks, at least we have big slices that we have here. Then after washing the green chili peppers that we have here, we have to slice them as well. It's better if we cut the chilies like sideways. I really like spicy food, so yeah, let's add more green chilies to the dish. And later I will also add red chili or siling labuyo to make the dish more and more spicy. Here are some of the ingredients that we're gonna use for the dish. Green chili peppers, some red onions or rose onions, and some sliced ginger that I sliced just now. And then we're also gonna need this one, some chili powder, bagoong or shrimp paste from the Philippines, and some peppers. The coconut milk from Rasaku. And here's our main ingredient, the hipon or the shrimp. Okay, so as you can see, nakapila na sila. Naka-ready na po sila sa ating gagawing monthly haircut inspection. So ito, we're gonna cut their hair or their tentacles or whatever this is so that it will be more nice and clean. The first thing we have to do is preheat the pan, then we have to put the cooking oil on it. Once the oil is hot, we have to add in the onions. Okay, this is the first thing we added, onions, to the hot oil. To the hot oil grabe. We heat this up until it becomes slightly brown, or I guess for 1 to 2 minutes in a low fire or low electricity. Okay. Here's our next ingredient, the shrimp. So, shrimp oil now. After the shrimp, we're now gonna place the ginger. Once we place these three ingredients together, it's the best time to season the shrimp or the prawns. So now we can add the hot chili powder, or bagoong, or shrimp paste. Okay, nalagay na natin. We have already placed the shrimp paste or the bagoong here. Then stir it so that the flavor will be absorbed by the shrimp. Some more of this chili peppers. We can now also place our ground pepper or paminta. So we just added the pepper on it and then stir it again. so that the shrimp will absorb all the flavors. And remember, we should be placing this on low heat only. We don't want to overcook the shrimp. We just want it to absorb the flavors for now. We can also add a bit of patis or fish sauce to our mix to make it a bit more salty or more flavorful. Patis. So we stir it all over again. All over and mix it. It smells so good now. Pwede nating dagdagan yung heat nyo ng konti. Pwede na nating lagay itong green chilies natin. The green chili peppers are in and mix it again. Just mix it. Okay. Now we're gonna add this coconut milk to the mix. More coconut milk. Lagyan natin yung sabaw. So later, this will evaporate. So yeah. Again, now we added the coconut milk. Just let it cook for about 2 minutes. So guys, okay na to. Luto na siya. Here's our Ginataang Hipon or shrimp in coconut milk. We're done cooking this Ginataang Hipon. So it's time for us to have a taste test and see how yummy it is. Dish for today is shrimp in coconut milk with chili and green chili and red chili.
Kain na tayo.
Kain na.
Oh, thank you. Sarap. Masarap. Oh, kita naman.
Opo. Nakaka isang piraso na po siya.
Sarap talaga. Nakaka-apat na kanin na ako. Sayang ulit ako.
Ito po yun yung ganito. So yun, thanks for watching. Thank you for coming.
Salamat po.
Single po yan.
Oh!